Hello everyone, welcome back to Studio One with Solution. Yeah, so today we are going to quickly talk about setting up MIDI. Right now, I'm actually recording in MIDI, and I decided to quickly make this video about MIDI. Now, MIDI is set up in a way that you can actually use the way it is designed. You could actually use any keyboard as long as that keyboard is MIDI enabled. You could actually just use any keyboard of your choice to play MIDI into your system. It is not just MIDI keyboards. Even your digital keyboards using your studios, as long as they are MIDI enabled, you can actually plug them into your laptop and record your own sound through them. Now, how do I do this? For me, I'm actually using Labs currently to record. So what I just do is to, um, yeah. So I head over to my instruments. I pick Labs from there. Or let's say for the sake of you guys that are majorly on Studio One currently, let me use. Okay, let me use my tie for you. So right now I have my tie loaded up. So what I have to do next now, I have to configure my keyboard into this. So I come over here, first of all, setting, then this guy pops up. But that's not actually where I need to go. Just go over here. Sorry, I'm making my own mistakes now. Yeah. So setting, then control, then over to this arrow first actually. Because I already have two devices here, two digital keyboards. I have a PSL E343, which is what I use at home, and I also have a PSL SX600, which is what I use at the studio at work. So you won't see this, you see something else entirely, but what you have to do is just click on add device, control add device. Then if your keyboard, if you're using a MIDI keyboard, actually it is most possible that it's likely possible basically that that keyboard is already in here. So what you have to do is just to look up the name of your keyboard, that is the product of the keyboard, of your MIDI keyboard. Go over there, for example, let's say using a Novation keyboard. Let's go over to Novation, sorry, head over to Novation and check it. If it is not there, you can always add. If it is not there, you can always add. Just come over here to new keyboard, then manufacturer. For me, it is always Yamaha. Just write the name of the artist, the company that manufactured the keyboard. It doesn't have to be exact actually. Yamaha, yeah, sorry, that's it. And then in device name, for me, I currently have an I have an E343, which is what I'm currently using. Keyboard. Then I change this receive from. Hold on. Okay. Next thing you are going to. That's all actually. That's all. Yes, receive from digital keyboard. This port already used. I'm already using this actually. I'm using this right now. So I'm already using this for this particular keyboard right now. So, what is the process? New keyboard. For you that let's say your keyboard is not accessible over here, just go to new keyboard, write name of the keyboard, then receive from digital keyboard. You change it from non to digital keyboard. That's where it's kind of scans your keyboard to know which kind of keyboard it is, basically. Then just click on OK. Once you click on OK, you're done. That's it. So all I have to do now is that okay, I'm using my key. This is I'm using my mouse for this now, but I could also go over to my keyboard and just you get. So this is basically it. How to set up your MIDI control using your own keyboard in your house, in the comfort of your home, on your church, anywhere. You don't need any fancy speakers to do this. What you just need is you need a MIDI cable, a USB MIDI cable, connect it to the back of your keyboard, the other end to your laptop. Once you are linked, you can actually use your headphone or your earphones for this. What you're trying to do is to record your keys, any tone you actually want in MIDI. Thank you. I'll see you next time.